Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Online glossary app backend node API inside you need to create here the today. Save user here the user cards need to card information need to save inside our database and to how to save inside the database. We not exact full amounts cards numbers into save into database. We need to only last four digit save because we need to security reasons we need to not save the pool inside the database. We need to temporarily set here the only for the UI display presentations we need to create this API. If you use any gateway, so please gateway inside save your payment card information details because we to more secure rather than our codes. That's why not use any here database table. Need to only save is the port digit. Now let's how to works and create this API. First of all, need to needs here the API develops me. Also need to go inside the here's and to create one tables. Select this database and to write down here the create tables and to give the names payment methods payment method details. We need to call this here payment methods and now need to give here the payment ID PM method and create here the auto increments. Now need to give here the name set varchar set here the 100 and by default blank. Then after need to card number need to set here write down card number save this here. And after need to add here the month varchar and to set here the t. Now need to add more columns need years to set here the four more columns need to add here. Write down here the card here varchar and I now need to define here. Then after need to set here the status. One means active, two means the deleted. Now need to create a dates need to set here and to select here the date time property types need to set date time and give current times the default need to pass here. And then after need to give here the modify date time and now need to this is the user card save information. I will not save inside the CVV. Your card numbers not save inside the any database. Need to save only the numbers, month, years, and status. Need to save here. Now need to create this table here, and now need to create for the year insert update delete and details API. Need to develop here. First of all, need to go inside here for database. Need to write down here the one methods app dot post. Write down here API slash app slash add payment method and now need to here now helper dot vlogs we need to print this request response here's body inside print this here. Then after need to paste body dot. Now need to verify the tokens take access token that's are for years First of all, request dot headers need to pass here, and to verify this header valid or not. If valid, then we need to get here the user data and pass here the response object, and we need to return callback as a user need to get here, and to write down here the callback methods right here. And then after we need to verify this request inside the parameter get or not. So verify first of all helper dlog or not dlog, need to use here the check parameters valid methods are called, and to write down first parameters are the request not request response object need to pass here, then after request object need to pass here, and then after we need to verify the which parameter needed for this API. First of all needs here the name, then after we needs here the card number, after we need to card month, now month added here, and net who needs here the card here. Okay, this parameter also needs, if valid, so need to get here the callback. So inside this method, so need to write down here some. First of all, need to write down here the db query, set query, and to insert this all data. That the first of all need to give here the callback operator using the callback of function operator, and now need to go inside here the these tables and find out the SQL tab, and inside need to select this insert query, need to copy this, and we need here the paste, and to write down here status delete tab by default set is payment ID. And now this is set here, and get the question mark, create here the 3 pairs, and for okay, now need to pass this parameters value here, and request dot name first parameter, then after card number, after card month, card year. Pass these 4 parameters, and to turn back this callback method, first parameters are the errors, and the parameters are the result. Now we need to check here the if get here any errors, and log pro errors first parameter response, and return this here. Now we need to check here if here get result and set successfully, otherwise not here result, false this response, and fail this, save, set the database. Now we need to fire this response here, and to write down here the at once. Now then after we need to pass here the message, and to give the MSG fails, need to set this title here. If you success, need to give returns here the part emit method had successfully give the message here. Now need to remove that down. methods. Successfully copy this to paste this here and to pass this value here. And this response, now need to save this here. Now need to copy again this value here, process for the delete. And one more things we need to remaining inside the database, we need to modify these tables and to connect with the user ID. Forget go structures and to select here and one columns user ID, pass this, use this user ID and to and raise one parameter, write down object link on with this payment methods. Now need to save this here and this here, copy paste here, and now need to remove payment methods, need to here, and now need to ID and other parameters no needs here, and to calls here the updates method go actuals update methods, need to copy this here, needs here, and now need to that here status static where conditions need to set here, and to write down here the question mark and write down here the ID verify. Now need to pass this value here. First of all, need to request object dot the ID this here and to remove other parameters. Now need to check here the updates row more than 0, then successfully remove these methods are all done. Now need to create here the list API, need to develop here. First need to copy this here, down here third parameter just no needs blank, and now need to open and to select query, need to write down here this here here and need to here replace the only give here the last 4 digit, not give the full numbers. Need to modify this terms, remove this and now give here the payload and to your message success. Now need to put result. Okay. Now need to get here the last 4 parameters, need to get and to use here the right methods here Now needs parameters need to get here for this method to get here only last 4 digit years, and now need to check inside this query at our database. Okay, also inside here. Now need to all the inputs all need to save as and check here the add methods working good or not. Start this node API, node server, not API. Now need to open here the postmans and to one by one API fires and to check if any get any issue. We need to fix here. Now need to have inside need to call the methods. Now need to save as. Now need to go inside the body and pass one parameters. First one name, card number, card month. Last one is the add payment methods, phone lines. Now turn to also here to payment methods, body, remove payment methods, need to add here API, API. Now need to check here payment methods list. Here save as. Now this API are the done and just verify here falls into. Now need to give here the name, enter. This is the card number need to month. Now need to call this API here and test. Now payment method add successfully, need to get here success response. Now need to check here the get result. Now need to server. Sure. Here and this node. Now need to call this API again, get this response here. Now need to get here only 4 digit, not full card need to get because need to write down here the MySQL method need to use here inside the select right of the force numbers need to give here. Now need to add here the second cards and to change the last 4 digit inside here. And this now need to pause here, check response here. Now need to get this here last one. Okay, this is the add payment methods are the done API developers, and need to next see. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.